Hello friends. In February 2022, Russian President Vladimir Putin made a decision that sent shockwaves across the globe. His invasion of Ukraine, initially seen as a display of Russian might, has instead unraveled into what many experts now consider a colossal strategic blunder. This masterstroke, intended to restore Russia's former glory, has instead triggered a cascade of unintended consequences that are reshaping the world order in ways Putin never expected. Let us dive into the jaw dropping ripple effects that have left world leaders, economists, and everyday citizens stunned. When Russian tanks rolled across the Ukrainian border, many expected a swift victory. After all, Russia boasted one of the world's most formidable military forces. But what happened next shocked everyone. The Ukrainian resistance, led by the charismatic President Volodymyr Zelensky, proved far more formidable than anyone expected. Armed with Western support and an indomitable spirit, Ukraine's forces have not only held their ground but have even launched successful counter-offensives. Putin's formidable military faced embarrassing setbacks. From logistical nightmares to equipment failures, the world watched in disbelief as the Russian advance stalled. The sight of abandoned tanks and demoralized troops painted a picture far removed from the fearsome image Russia had cultivated. In a twist that reads like a political thriller, Putin's actions have achieved the exact opposite of his intentions. Once questioned about its relevance in the post Cold War era, the NATO has experienced a dramatic revival. The alliance, far from being weakened, has been energized and expanded. Finland and Sweden, traditionally neutral countries, are now knocking on NATO's doors, a development that would have been unthinkable just a few years ago. The West's response to the invasion was swift and severe. A barrage of economic sanctions has left Russia increasingly isolated on the global stage. From being cut off from the SWIFT banking system to facing restrictions on technology imports, the Russian economy is feeling the squeeze. The long term effects of these sanctions could be devastating, potentially setting Russia back by decades in terms of economic development and technological progress. The invasion has set off a chain reaction in global politics, leading to surprising shifts in alliances and power dynamics. As Russia faces isolation from the West, it has increasingly turned to China for support. However, this newfound closeness comes at a price. Russia now finds itself in the uncomfortable position of a junior partner to its powerful neighbor, a far cry from the equal partnership Putin might have envisioned. India's response to the Russia Ukraine conflict showcases a delicate balancing act in international diplomacy. With historical ties to Russia as its largest arms supplier and growing connections with the West, India has maintained a neutral stance. This approach has allowed India to purchase discounted Russian oil, boosting its economy, while also strengthening relationships with Western nations through forums like the Quad. Prime Minister Modi's subtle criticism of the war without explicitly condemning Russia exemplifies India's nuanced diplomatic approach. The strategic ambiguity serves multiple purposes for India. It maintains the country's military supplies from Russia, which are crucial given its border tensions with China, while also positioning India as a leader among developing nations. Despite facing criticism from some Western quarters, India defends its stance as aligned with its national interests and tradition of strategic autonomy. This balancing act reflects the complexities of modern geopolitics, where economic pragmatism and strategic calculations are reshaping traditional alliances. However, as the conflict persists, maintaining this equilibrium may become increasingly challenging for Indian policy makers. Many countries in Africa, Latin America, and parts of Asia have remained neutral, focusing instead on the economic impacts of the conflict on their own populations. This stance has highlighted the growing influence of the global south in international affairs and the limits of Western diplomatic pressure. One of the most unexpected outcomes of the invasion has been its impact on global energy markets. The continent's dependence on Russian gas has been a strategic weakness for years. Now, faced with energy insecurity, European nations are doubling down on renewable energy investments. Germany, once heavily reliant on Russian gas, is now leading the charge in green energy transition. As Europe scrambles to replace Russian gas, the global LNG market has been thrown into overdrive. Countries like the US and Qatar are ramping up production to meet the surging demand, reshaping global energy trade patterns in the process. The war's impact on global food security has been one of its most alarming and far reaching consequences. Ukraine and Russia, known as the world's breadbasket, are major exporters of wheat, corn, and fertilizers. The disruption of these exports has sent food prices soaring, pushing millions towards the brink of hunger. The food crisis has sparked political instability in various parts of the world, particularly in Africa and the Middle East. As food prices rise, so does the risk of social unrest and political upheaval. Putin's actions have triggered a global surge in military spending with far reaching implications. Countries that had long kept their military budgets modest are now significantly increasing defense spending. Germany's 100 billion euro defense fund marks a historic shift in the country's post World War II pacifist stance. The conflict has prompted countries like Japan to reassess their defense strategies, leading to increased military budgets and closer security ties with Western allies. The war's economic impact extends far beyond Russia and Ukraine, reshaping global economic structures. The conflict has accelerated trends of economic decoupling between East and West. Companies are re-evaluating their global supply chains, with many seeking to reduce dependence on potentially unstable regions. Western sanctions have cut Russia off from critical technologies, highlighting the strategic importance of tech sovereignty. This has intensified the ongoing tech rivalry between the US and China, with potentially far reaching consequences for global innovation and economic growth. The ongoing Russia Ukraine conflict has reshaped the global geopolitical landscape in unexpected ways. While the immediate focus has been on the direct participants and major world powers, a closer look reveals a complex web of winners and losers emerging from this crisis. Here, we explore three significant developments: the rise of alternative powers, the energy windfall for certain nations, and the tech brain drain from Russia. Countries like Turkey and India have found themselves in strategically advantageous positions, able to mediate between Russia and the West while advancing their own national interests. This newfound influence has allowed these nations to punch above their weight in global affairs. Turkey, straddling Europe and Asia, has leveraged its unique geographic position to play a crucial role in the conflict. It has positioned itself as a key mediator, hosting peace talks between Russia and Ukraine and brokering deals like the Black Sea Grain Initiative. As a NATO member, Turkey has increased its strategic importance within the alliance while maintaining open communication lines with Russia. Turkey has become an important transit hub for Russian citizens and businesses looking to bypass Western sanctions, boosting its economy in the process. India's approach to the conflict has been a masterclass in strategic ambiguity. By increasing its purchases of discounted Russian oil, India has kept its energy costs down while avoiding Western sanctions. India's refusal to explicitly condemn Russia has given it leverage in dealings with both Moscow and Western capitals. India's stance has reinforced its position as a leader among developing nations, many of which have chosen not to take sides in the conflict. The Western nations moved to reduce their dependence on Russian energy. Alternative suppliers have seen their fortunes rise dramatically. Norway, Western Europe's largest oil and gas producer, has experienced an unprecedented windfall. Norwegian energy companies have reported record profits, with the state's petroleum income nearly tripling in 2022. This windfall has sparked debate within Norway about profiting from a crisis and how to responsibly manage this sudden wealth. Norway's role as a reliable energy supplier to Europe has enhanced its strategic importance within NATO and the EU. Oil rich Gulf states have seen their global influence grow. After years of low oil prices, Gulf economies are experiencing a resurgence, with budget surpluses allowing for increased spending on domestic projects and foreign investments. The energy crisis has given Gulf states more leverage in their relations with Western powers, particularly on issues like human rights and regional security. The windfall has provided additional resources for Gulf states to invest in economic diversification efforts, potentially accelerating their transition away from oil dependency. Russia's increasing isolation has triggered a significant exodus of tech talent, benefiting neighboring countries and potentially reshaping the region's tech landscape. Armenia and Georgia have become popular destinations because of their visa free regimes for Russians, shared cultural ties, and growing tech ecosystems. The Baltic states like Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania, despite their historical tensions with Russia, have attracted Russian tech talent with their digital friendly policies and EU membership. Central Asian countries like Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan are also seeing an increase in Russian tech immigrants, potentially boosting their nascent tech sectors. The influx of tech talent is having multifaceted effects. The arrival of experienced Russian tech professionals is accelerating knowledge transfer and potentially boosting innovation in the recipient countries. Many Russian tech entrepreneurs are relocating their businesses, contributing to the growth of local startup ecosystems. The influx of well paid tech professionals is stimulating local economies, particularly in real estate and service sectors. The tech brain drain poses significant challenges for Russia. The loss of skilled professionals may hinder Russia's ability to innovate and compete in high tech industries. The exodus of tech talent could have long term negative effects on Russia's economic growth and diversification efforts. The dispersal of Russian tech professionals may lead to a decline in Russia's cultural and economic influence in the region. So, the Russia Ukraine conflict has created a complex tapestry of unexpected winners and losers. While countries like Turkey and India have found new diplomatic leverage and energy producers have reaped financial windfalls, the most enduring impact may come from the redistribution of human capital, particularly in the tech sector. As the conflict continues to reshape global dynamics, these trends will probably play a significant role in determining the future balance of power and economic influence in the region and beyond. As the conflict continues, its long term impacts are becoming increasingly clear. The deepening divide between Russia and the West, coupled with China's growing assertiveness, has led many to speculate about the emergence of a new Cold War. However, this time the lines are less clearly drawn, with many countries choosing to balance between competing power blocs rather than aligning firmly with one side. From the shift towards renewable energy to the reconfiguration of global supply chains, the war has acted as a catalyst, accelerating trends that were already underway. The world that emerges from this conflict may look very different from the one that preceded it. The conflict has provided a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of the global economy and the far reaching consequences of geopolitical actions. It has highlighted the importance of energy security, food security, and resilient supply chains in an increasingly unpredictable world. In conclusion, Putin's invasion of Ukraine, far from being the masterstroke he envisioned, has set in motion a series of events that are fundamentally altering the global landscape. From shifting alliances and economic realignments to accelerating technological and energy transitions, the ripple effects of this conflict will be felt for years to come. As the world grapples with these changes, one thing is clear. The global order that emerges from this turmoil will be markedly different from the one that preceded it. Putin's genius move may well be remembered as the catalyst that ushered in a new era of global politics, economics, and security, just not in the way he intended.